Hey boys and girls, today we are going to divide with one-digit divisors. So today we're just doing some problems and we're practicing them. So I'm going to just make up some problems and then we're going to solve them together, okay? So let's just start with this number. Okay. All right, so 782 divided by 6. So this is our number that's being divided. We are dividing by 6. So we're seeing how many times 6 goes into 782. So we can look here just at the 700, and we know that 6 will go into 7 one time, because 1 times 6 is 6. So here are our steps, just like you've seen and we've kind of talked about. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. We're first dividing. How many times does 6 go into 7? It goes in there once. 1 times 6 is 6. That's our multiplying.
Miss Becker.
Yes, ma'am?
That Quizlet that you gave me, like front to back, did you want that stapled?
That would be great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
We subtract, then we bring down. Then we ask ourselves again, all right? How many times will 6 go into 18? 3 times. And we make sure that we're putting that digit right above there. It goes in there exactly 3 times. Then I bring down this 2. I still ask myself, how many times will 6 go into 2? It will not go in there. 0 times 6 is 0, but I have a remainder of 2. Alright, so let's check by multiplying. My answer is 130. I'm going to multiply it times 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And I add my remainder, and it gets me right back to 782. Okay, let's try another one. Y'all do it with me. We're just doing one-digit divisors. And this is, knowing your multiplication facts is going to help you with this division, okay? You know what, I'm going to change this to 5. Okay. When I had an 8, again, 7 could go into 8. I wanted to make it where it wouldn't. So 7 is bigger than 5. So we're going to say 7 can go into 50. How many times? Well, I know that 7 times 7 is 49. And do you see that I placed my number right above that 0? Because 7 went into 50 7 times, not 5. Right now, this isn't too big of a deal if you don't do it this way, but once we start using decimals, this placement is super, super important. And I think it's important now just so we can continue to line up and look at our values. All right, so we still subtract, bring down. How many times will 7 go into 15? It goes in there twice. I know, because 2 times 7 is 14. I'm going to subtract, bring down my 3. 7 will go into 13 only one time, because 1 times 7 is 7. I know 13 minus 7 is 6. I'm running out of room. So that would be my remainder, because 6 is less than 7. I know to stop. There's nothing left to bring down. So let's multiply to check again. My answer is 721. If I multiply it by 7, we should get our answer. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 1 is 50. Don't forget that remainder. 7 plus 6 is 13. And that gets me back. Check, check. Those match. So it's important to follow these steps while we're doing it. Let's do one more. Okay. All right. Again, 4 is larger than 2, but 4 can go into 21 5 times, because I know 5 times 4 is 20. I didn't leave myself very much room up there. Bring it on down and bring it on back. 4 will go into 17 4 times, because 4 times 4 is 16. Subtract, bring it on down and bring it on back. 4 goes into 15 3 times, because that's 12, and I'll have 3 left over. Let's check that over here. 543 times 4, 12, 16, 17, 21. Don't forget your remainder. And I get 2,175, just like I had there.